In this video, I'm going to be revealing 5 ways in which you can actually earn money online. So if this is something that you're interested, definitely this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways in which you can actually make money working from the comfort of your home. Okay, so let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page. As far as I know, you can do this 5 ways, no matter where you're from, but always do your due diligence after you watch this video. Okay, so again, 5 ways in which you can actually make money working from home. The very first one is going to be by recommending apps. Nowadays, a lot of people, well, almost everybody have a cell phone and a smartphone, and there are tons of apps out there that can pay us money just by referring others users to the app. Some of them, and what I'm talking is about the apps, they offer free trials. What I mean by this is that you don't need to convince anybody to pay anything. They're going to be using a the free version of the tools, and if they decide to do the upgrade, you are going to be earning money. Depending on the app, you can be earning money on a monthly basis. What I mean is recurring income. So that means that you're going to be earning money month after month after month. Or you can also be, earning money one time. That's depending on the app. For example, we have Dodge. Okay, Dodge, this is an app in which they're offering people cashbacks. Okay, that's what they're doing. This is an app that has been online for a while. It is available on Android and iOS, and this is basically what they're doing. People are downloading the app. Okay, they are doing their shopping as usual, and Dodge is going to be giving them a cashback. Okay, so this cashback, it can be transferred to a bank account, PayPal, or Vimeo. Okay, or you can donate the cashback for charity. Okay, these are some of the brands that has partnered with Dodge. I'm not 100% sure if Dodge is available everywhere, but chances are that there is actually an app that is similar to Dodge. Okay, they do have a program that you can join. You can go to Google and you can actually find the Dodge affiliate program. Okay, or you can go to share a referral, and it's actually free to join, and you can find their program. Okay, right now their program, it's paying you $5 every single time you refer someone. Okay, the condition is that once they download the app and redeem their first offer or complete a hotel stay, that's when you are actually going to be earning the $5. Okay, it's as simple as that. You can refer as many people as you want. Okay, and you know, you can earn money that way. Remember that, as I'm not 100% sure it's Dodge is available, but for example, here you can get unlimited $5 for Dodge when you use the link. Okay, there is no cap. You can make money as much as you want. Okay, for example, there is this other app here which is Boxit. Okay, so it actually the same because it's actually here similar. Okay, so if for some reason Dodge is not available on your area, don't worry because there are other apps out there and you can refer it. It's like Uber. If you already have an Uber account, you can refer people and they're going to give you, I think right now it's like $5 or $10 a credit. And that's the way actually you can pay your rides. You can have free rides that way. I'm not 100% sure if you can cash that, if you can redeem that with Dodge, but Uber, they also have this kind of program. Okay, just to give you guys some ideas. Okay, so another way it's by doing freelance work or gigs. Okay, They are actually websites similar to Fiverr, in which literally you're going to have the opportunity to promote your service. Okay. You can be, if you have a tech programming skill, if you are a graphic designer, web designer, so media design, if you do digital marketing, if you know different languages, you can translate, video editing. Okay. So literally you can offer anything and everything here on Fiverr. There are actually people who are actually paying just to do voiceovers. So I'm pretty sure there is a skill that you can actually use and you can offer here on Fiverr as well. So this is definitely a great way in which you can actually earn money online, because these are gigs. So that means that you're agreed to do one thing and you're going to do that on your time. Okay. For example, um, you can be writing, translating. Okay. Here, the different options that you have, as you can notice, there's a lot of things that you can actually do. Okay. And if you actually are fluent in more than one language, you can also offer the service as well here on Fiverr. So definitely it's a great way because you're going to be freelance. So that means that you're not committed to it and scheduled. But if you want something a little bit different, in which chances are that you're going to have the opportunity to earn money every single month, you can be a virtual assistant. Okay. You can be a virtual assistant, a great way in which you can find this side of jobs. And these are more jobs and not gigs, is with Upwork. Or you can also go to freelancer.com. Okay. And Workana, it's also another resource if you want to do, freelance gigs and be a BA. Okay. So here companies are going to find you. You're going to be what they call a talent. You can join here for free. And there is no cost in order to be part of, of Upwork. But this is more like a ABA. If you want to be a little bit more committed, definitely Upwork. It's a great way to do it. And by the way, you can offer services in as many websites as you want. Okay. So you can have more opportunities and more possibilities. These are basically the top skills, but there's a lot of things that actually you can do and you can offer here on Upwork. So take your time, check, do a, like a list of skills that you actually have so you can offer them here on Upwork. Okay. And companies are going to be hiring you. So definitely, if you are more like into BA, definitely Upwork, it's a place to go. The fourth way, it's going to be with YouTube. Chances are that you are watching this video on my YouTube channel, okay, which is this one. I have been uploading content, for quite some time right now. And literally, you can earn money nowadays, with different ways if you have a YouTube channel. The very first one, it's, YouTube is going to pay you per se. Okay. They do have this program, the YouTube partnership program, that literally when someone watches your video, you need to meet some criteria right now. You're going to have the opportunity to earn money. Okay. So that's a way. You can also go with brand deals. There are going to be some kind of partnerships as well. So definitely YouTube is a business per se. Okay. And chances are that you're like, Diana, what? Can I literally create a YouTube channel about anything and everything? To be honest, yes, as long as you're passionate about and it's not something, 18 plus, you can actually do that. You can actually create a YouTube channel about, cooking, about woodworking. If there are some skills that you do, maybe you are amazing using, Excel, PowerPoint, that kind of things. definitely you can go and you can create a YouTube channel. There is a lot of people are actually looking for information on YouTube because YouTube is the second largest search engine just after Google. And your YouTube video are also going to be listed on Google. So there is a lot of opportunities out there. There is a lot of way in which you can actually earn money with YouTube. You know, a lot of possibilities. But again, you need to be consistent if you really want to earn money with this. It's not like, hey, I'm gonna post one video every 2 months. No, it's not gonna be working like that. And another way, which is also related with YouTube, it's with affiliate marketing. Okay, so chances are that you can promote different products and services. Okay, right now, more than 80% of the companies online, they are giving us the opportunity to earn money while we promote our favorite products and services. So that's why you check on different YouTube channels who have different links in the description. And by the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this, about my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay, so you can learn more about this. And this is something that helps me replace two full-time jobs and pay my debts. Okay. And, I at the time I was barely making it. I was looking for a way in which I can earn a little bit extra. And having these options right here, which is, freelance work and virtual assistants was not an option because I already had another full-time job. So I actually need something in which I can have the opportunity, to earn money while I actually was sleeping. So that's definitely something with affiliate marketing. Okay. Definitely, you can have a system in place that is going to be working for you 24/7. If you give yourself the opportunity to learn about this, if you give yourself the opportunity to grow a real business, definitely that's something that is actually going to help you earn money from home. So again, if you want to learn more about this, about different companies that are out there who are looking for people just like you and me, regular people. And, I'm not 100% sure what's the goal, but in my case, I was not looking to replace two full-time jobs, but at least to earn a little bit extra. But, but again, I'm telling you like, hey, I had this opportunity and I actually took it. Again, I'm going to be leaving the link below. So I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.